Well, what's up, guys? This is Daniel and
Houston.
We're out in the greenhouse this morning. You know, summer's winding down here in Oklahoma. DJ and I went on that trip to Florida, and it seems like it was summertime heat when we left and we come back. And I think fall has hit Oklahoma for the last week or so. We've had our windows open. The air conditioner's been off in the house. It's getting down into the 50s at night. It is just gorgeous weather. So Houston and I are going to get out here. We're going to get our little soil block maker out and start getting some fall crops going. Probably should have had them started a few weeks ago, but I didn't want to start them before I left for Florida because we were going to be gone for a week, and I just knew the little soil blocks would dry out. So
we just need to take the okra out of here since it's so tall.
It's so tall, huh? It's dying, isn't it?
Yeah.
A lot of our big tall okra back there, he wants to... I was trying to save some for seed, but those pods are never drying out. They just keep on going. So we're gonna get some work done in here, get some things cleaned up, maybe do some cleanup on the outside, and I'm telling you what, fall is here, it seems like. You ready, Houston?
Yep.
We gotta get to work.
Working.
Let's get working.
Boom.
So Houston and I got this raised bed all cleaned up and ready to go. Pulled up some water lines, some of our drip lines that we don't need. Let's see. We got this bed rehabbed. We got sweet potatoes growing. Our kale still growing over here. Anyway, so we're going to be doing a combination of direct seeding, some winter crops, and we're going to start some in soil blocks. So if you guys have followed my channel since last year, or maybe even early this spring, you know I use a soil block maker to start my crops. So soil block maker makes 4 soil blocks at a time. Just mash it down into your potting mix, and then you lay these soil blocks out, and I put them onto these little trays. It'll hold, you know, quite a few of these soil blocks. I don't know right offhand, but this little tool is awesome. I'll show you how it works. Most of you have probably seen this before, but this is an invaluable tool when starting stuff from seed. And let's get the planting.
Let's get some water in it.
Alright, you put some water in it. Let's start mixing.
It'll feel like mud just now.
Okay, so we got our soil mixed up nice and moist, got our soil blocker. All we're going to do is just take this soil block maker and push it down into the soil. And compress that soil into these blocks. Compress it in real good. Knock the excess off. And it fills up each one of these little compartments with one little soil block. Hang on, buddy, hang on. And I'm just going to squeeze the handle. And check it out.
Yeah!
Makes 4 individual little soil blocks with a little divot in the top. You put your little seed in there and you're good to go. So we're going to get to making soil blocks. Oh, why is that big sad face? You're all looking awful pouty. Quit being pouty. Alright, got 6 trays of soil blocks made up. Each tray has 40 soil blocks in it. So that's a lot of seeds we're going to plant right here. In this fall, we're going to be planting mostly leafy greens, lettuce, kale, Swiss chard, maybe some bok choy. Let's see, we'll plant some beets, radishes, and you know, Houston's carrots. They won't go in this. Houston's carrots will go direct seeded into the soil out there. So I got a lot to go on. Got a lot to get doing, and I lost my helper. Houston is nowhere to be found, so he's been waiting on me to get these soil blocks done so he can plant some seeds. So I got to dig out some seeds and go find my helper. Okay, so here's a shot at a lot of what we're going to be planting. This is just part of it. I don't have everything here yet, but if you notice, most of those are MI Gardener seeds. If you go to migardener.com and use code ARMS10, you'll save 10% on your order. So here's what we got. Watermelon radish. You guys know I love my watermelon radishes. Dark red Detroit beets, the 3 romaine mix, scarlet Nantes carrots, purple broccoli, pak choi cabbage. Awesome stuff. We juice this. Love it. Rainbow mixed Swiss chard, giant noble spinach, premier kale, and Cylindra beets. Hey, my helper's back. Guess what time it is?
What?
Time to plant some seeds. Are you ready? Alright, Houston, do you remember how to do this? So you got some rainbow mixed Swiss chard, and you put 1 seed in every little soil block over there, okay? Alright, let's do it. They're pretty big seeds, okay? Put 1 seed in every little soil block. Here, not that one. That one's a weed seed. Put 1 seed in every little soil block. Alright, Houston. We got our seeds in. Now what's next?
We put some more stuff on.
We got to cover them up a little bit. We're going to sprinkle a little dirt on top of them, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Just cover them up a little bit before we water them in, right? Alright, Houston's going to water our little seeds in. We put our little Fogg nozzle on here so we don't wash our little seeds out of the soil blocks. And he's going to water them in. Don't get too close, okay? Make sure you get them all watered, alright? Well, we got all those soil blocks started. We got 6 different trays over there going. But Houston is dying to plant some carrots. I don't have very many carrot seeds. But I'll do a quick video real quick and just show you our plan. So last year we did this same method, just like Danny from Deep South Homestead. I got this raised bed here. I got my garden fork. I'm just going to fork it. Loosen up that soil as best I can so we got good, deep, loose soil. And then we're going to sprinkle some seeds on top, water them in well, and then we'll cover it up. Yeah, we're not planting watermelon right now, though. But after we plant those seeds, we'll just sprinkle them on the ground. And then, like I said, we'll cover it up. We've got that roll of black plastic back there. I just roll it over the top of the bed. And when they sprout, then I'll pull it off. So that's what we do. So like I said, we don't have a lot of carrots, but we're going to go ahead and plant these, this one little packet I've got. But we're going to have to get more because we like to plant carrots thick.
I like them. They're the best carrots in...
Alright, so we got the seeds covered. Look at there. Watch out, Houston. We got the black plastic stretched over those carrot seeds. And we'll get some more carrot seeds in a day or two. Hey, turn around here. Houston's getting tired. He's hot. Hey, don't knock me over. And we've got a lot of work done out here this morning. Please stop. We've got a lot of work done out here this morning, so he's ready to go do something else. It's getting kind of warm in the greenhouse, so we're going to find something else to do today.
Wind.
That wind feels good, doesn't it? All right, is there anything you want to say?
Uh-huh.
What?
I want to go ride the buggy.
You want to go ride the buggy? And what?
And do the pictures.
And do the pictures. Oh, he wants to go check our trail cameras. All right, so hopefully we'll have a good crop this fall. Maybe all these seeds will sprout and we'll have an abundance of greens to help us get through the winter. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Maybe not tomorrow.
It's not school, not tomorrow.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.